Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week, we had a request from a community member just wanting something light, airy, and yellow. So it is my pleasure to complete this week's project, which is called Yellow Sunshine Floating Candle Wedding Centerpiece. It's a mouthful, but it's worth it. So guys, let's go ahead and get started on this week's episode. All right, let's get to it. So our first step is to cut out our floral foam block. That is a mouthful. I'm going to use half of the rim of my glass cylinder vase, and I'm going to trim around it with my foam cutter. Once I've created my pattern, I'm then going to simply use the foam cutter to cut out the section so that my glass cylinder vase fits snugly into the cutout. Well guys, how did we do? I think it's absolutely stunning and so easy to put together. This would be a fantastic centerpiece for a wedding, for a reception, for a party, just so versatile in how you can use it. And you can also recreate this centerpiece in any color that you would like. So the links, I've tried to give you links that have a variety of colors. So if you are wanting it to be pretty in pink, you can recreate the same centerpiece using pink floral supplies. Well guys, if you like this video, by all means like us. Send us a comment, encouragement, all of that things mean so much to us. And know that I answer every comment myself. It is not one of my staff members. It is actually me who answers the comment section. So by all means, like us and drop a comment. If you want to hang out some more, head on over to our social media. You can find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and my favorite, Pinterest. I really love our Pinterest board. It's just growing more and more, and it allows me to just be creative and show you guys more creative ideas that spoke to me when I was on Pinterest. So check us out on Pinterest. If you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten account, I don't know what you're waiting for. They pay you to shop. It's so simple. Go to our description, click on the link, Follow the easy steps, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's so simple. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. First and foremost, I want to thank you for hanging out with us. We know you have so many options here on YouTube, and it just means so much to us that you hang out with us whenever we post. In addition to that, if you would like to submit a project request, very easy to do. Click on the link right there in the corner. It'll take you to our website, MissPlanet.com. Click on the project request tab. Follow the very simple steps, and we will let you know if your project has been selected for our production schedule. Please do it sooner than later because our production schedule fills up so fast and we hate telling anyone no. In addition to that, there are more blog posts to give you more cost-saving tips and ideas for your event or your party. So please head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, and check us out. Well, guys, until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.